Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to swap Solana on Metamask. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Metamask mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on this swap button in the bottom and then you will be able to see a bunch of different options here like buy, sell, swap, bridge, send, receive, etc. So among the given options, you will have to select the swap option and then you will be landed on this swap page. Now over here in the top, you will be able to see the network and then you will be able to see your account address. So if you want to change your network, then you will have to go back to the home page and from there you just have to select your network. Afterwards, over here you need to first select Solana. So you need to tap on this drop arrow button and then in the search bar you simply need to search for Sol. Now once you have found Sol, you simply need to select it and then you just have to select the second token in which you want to swap your Solana. So in order to select it, you need to tap on select a token button and among the given token list, you will have to select your token. So let's say I want to swap my Solana into USDT. So I'll simply select USDT. Then you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to convert into USDT. Afterwards, you need to tap on get quotes. Then it will take some time in fetching quotes and then you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see the equivalent amount of USDT that you are going to get if you swap this much amount of Solana. It will also show you the estimated gas fees, etc. So you just have to swipe in order to confirm your swap and this way you will be able to easily swap Solana on Metamask. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.